Most people spend their entire lives stuck at level 1, working harder every year, but somehow becoming poorer. Bills keep rising, stress keeps growing, and every paycheck disappears before the month even ends. The system teaches people how to earn money, but never how to keep it, so they stay trapped, running endlessly inside the rat race, believing exhaustion is normal. But then, everything changed with one decision. Instead of consuming more, he chose to build wealth. That's when he discovered the truth. The first $1,000 is not about money. It's about proving you can survive financially. Most people never reach this point because discipline feels painful in the beginning. Debt keeps people chained for years, but discipline cuts chains that motivation never can. So he started small, saving consistently, building an emergency fund, protecting himself from financial disaster. And for the first time in years, he finally slept peacefully. That was the moment he entered level 2. Now money stopped controlling him. His savings grew, his confidence grew, and slowly, his future stopped looking terrifying. While everyone else chased status, he invested quietly, small amounts, repeated consistently, again, and again, and again, until something unbelievable happened. The tiny investments became massive over time, because wealth does not explode overnight. Compounds silently. When markets crashed, people panicked, but the monkey stayed calm, because the rich see opportunities where everyone else sees fear. That mindset unlocked level 3 financial freedom. No alarm clocks. No begging for weekends, no dependence on one paycheck. Now money worked for him, investments paid him. Assets paid him, businesses paid him. Even while he slept and suddenly time became his again, he was no longer owned by his schedule while others stayed trapped in survival. He climbed higher towards something few people ever achieve. Level 4 at this stage, wealth became power. He built systems, owned businesses, expanded investments across the world. Now his money moved constantly, even when he did nothing. Wealth was no longer active income. It became automatic, and eventually, he started teaching others what he learned, because true wealth survives generations. This was no longer about survival. It was about legacy, a life built on patience, discipline, and intelligent decisions. And finally, he entered level 5. This is where wealth becomes bigger than one person, where money builds communities, opportunities, and impact. While the world stayed chaotic, he remained calm. His systems now operated across the world and people listened. Because wisdom is more valuable than money at the highest level, freedom is not about money. It's about owning your time. He stood above every milestone that once felt impossible. And he looked back at the broke version of himself with gratitude, because every level of wealth first begins in the mind. Most people never reach this level because they never believe they can. But the moment you start thinking differently, your entire financial future changes.